Alright, so your HostGator customer portal is where all the fun takes place, but not in the My Account tab, actually in the Hosting tab is where the fun takes place. So here you can see everything you got with HostGator. You got emails, databases, add-on domains. This is where you add like just other domain names. If you get the baby plan, you can add like secondwebsite.com, thirdwebsite.com, and so on and so forth, and then install WordPress on those. And you got your file manager. This is like a FileZilla sort of feature, but even better. HostGator site builder, Lego icon, QuickInstall, which we're going to use for WordPress, and so on and so forth. So really cool, more tools up here. I'm happy to help you with any of it, just ask. But the first order of business now is just to install WordPress onto your domain name and your hosting. Then make sure your domain name and hosting are happily connected. And then we can go on and make the website. So in order to do that, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to click Launch QuickInstall right here. Alright, and when you're in QuickInstall, you can see there's other one-click installs like Magento and Joomla and Drupal, but we just want to click on WordPress. Now we just need to select your domain from this drop-down list. So I'm like super cool, I have all these domain names, but we just want your domain name, and should be maybe a little bit easier for you to find if you just have one or two or something. So select it, leave the directory box blank right here, don't write anything right here, and just click next. And we're not going to let a pro do it for us, we're not going to fall for that. But you can see how much money some people do spend just to get WordPress working. It's crazy. So let's click next. Alright, now you just need to enter in a blog title, which you can change later on. So I'll just call mine Elementor. Next, for admin user, I like just going with first name. This will be your WordPress username, so it'll say like new blog post by blank. So don't make this one too silly. And then, you know, you can change the other stuff like first name, last name later on. Just make sure you get your email in right, because WordPress is going to email you your login details after we click install. Very good, good job, we're almost there. So now you just need to click this box right here, and we can go ahead and click install, and HostGator is going to do all the techie stuff and all the code and install WordPress for us. So just like I told you, it's just a one-click install that you might have heard about, and now we actually get to use it. So let's do it. Alright, WordPress is installing, and in the meanwhile it's going to show us a picture of Snappy right here. Alright, and it's going to say get a theme, but we have our own theme. We have a really good one picked out. And so great, it was complete. Let me know if you get any errors here, but you definitely want this green check mark. Good job, congratulations, if that was your first installation of WordPress. Now the best thing to do is not to click login or this button or anything. It's actually just to copy your installation details and put them in a Word doc or a notepad, because sometimes people can lose the screen and they get all worried, and it's not a big deal, but just want to make sure you have them. So I'm going to open up our handy little game plan here and just paste those in so we always have them, and we can change that password later on.